Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have the 16-character Vbucks code in hand and you are signed into your Epic Games account. Once signed in, navigate to the store or account page. This is where redemption happens. Make sure your account region matches the card, otherwise the code can fail. If you use a console, open the Epic Games link through Fortnite. On PC, use the Epic Launcher. Do this now so you're ready for the redemption step. Now you go to the redeem code page, either on Epic Games website or the in-game Fortnite store. Type the code exactly, use capital letters and include hyphens if the card shows them, because formatting can matter. Once entered, press redeem and watch for the confirmation that Vbucks were added to your account. If the site asks, choose the platform wallet to receive funds. If there's a delay, refresh your wallet view. The system sometimes takes a minute to update. Finally, use your Vbucks to buy skins or battle passes. Once done, confirm the purchase receipt and that the item appears in your locker. If the code fails, double-check for typos, wrong region, or expired card, and keep your purchase receipt handy to contact the retailer or Epic support. If you see errors, clear your browser cache, try a different browser or device, and wait 15 to 30 minutes before retrying, because sometimes systems need to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.